Hi everyone, welcome to lesson number 3, and today's lesson we're going to look at adding music to our animation. So let's review quickly what we did last week. We created an animation, so when the green flag is clicked, our background is animating, you can see the cactus moving, and our sprite is animating as well, our actor. And if you take a look at how we did this, we click on the sprite, and we can take a look at the script for this Julian sprite here. You can see that forever, when the green flag is clicked, forever the sprite is changing its costume. And we can even see that in action here. If I click on costumes, you can see the costume is continually changing, and that happens forever until the user presses this red button here to stop everything. And similarly, we created a animation for the background as well. You can see we have forever and next background, wait. So this loop continues on forever until that red button is clicked. And take a look at the backgrounds here. We can see it's switching from one background to another. So what we're going to do this lesson is we're going to add some sound to our animation. So just to make it a little bit more interesting. And to do that, we should click on our background. We're going to add the sound to our background, and then click on the stage, and then you go up to the Sounds tab, and you can see there's a couple of ways you can add sound to your program. You can record it yourself. So if you have a microphone, you click on the record here, and you can record by pressing the record button here, and you can save that file and use it in your program. And the other option is you can import a sound file, either your own MP3, or you can actually use one of the sound files that are provided by the Scratch program itself. So let's click on this import button and let's take a look at what sounds are available. So just go up here, we can see we have the different sounds, different themes, and I'm going to click on music loops there. So I'm going to choose the jungle sound, and notice after I choose it, it appears here in our window. So I'm going to get rid of the pop sound by clicking on the X there, and you can actually listen to it just by pressing and stop. Now what we have to do with this sound here is we actually have to write a script for the sound to play. So unless I just stayed here all day pressing the button, but essentially just like in the animation, we have to script it into our program. So when that green flag is clicked, the sound file plays. So we've got a sound, we've imported the sound, and got the script here, and we're going to use another when green flag clicked. So as it's animating, another program is going to be running. So we're going to have two programs running here. One, when the green flag is clicked, one program is going to go to the next background, it's animating, and then we're also going to have the sound playing as well. So we want it to play forever as well. And let's have a look up here in sounds, and there's a couple of options here. We have the play jungle sound and play jungle until done. Now the difference between the two is quite important actually. If I take this one here, just play sound, I put it in the forever, and I go over and I click the green flag. You notice how it sounds kind of choppy? Well, you can see what it's doing. It's looping forever, 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 and there's no it's not waiting for it to finish the whole song. It's just quickly moving to the beginning again, move to the beginning, move to the beginning, move to the beginning. So we're going to use the play sound until done. Let's see what happens when I put that in there, and stop it and start it again. Okay, that's much better, and then it's repeating. So make sure you choose the until done option. So let's go back to sounds here, and let's import one of our own files. So This is I got my own MP3 here, some dance music. Okay, so I'm importing that now. It's taking a little bit of time. And there it is. You can see my dance music here. I'm going to test it. Okay, that's good. I'm going to get rid of this jungle sound right here. I'm going to go back to my script and I'm going to change it to the dance music. Click on dance music, and now I have two programs that are running simultaneously, running at the same time. One is animating our background and one is playing the sound forever. Okay, so let's click on our green flag. Okay, that's basically all that's to adding a sound to your Scratch program or your Scratch animation. Okay, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next lesson.